Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi and you are welcome to my math segment. Today in chapter 5 we will learn how to square numbers between the series of 50 to 60. So let's see.
Squaring of numbers between 50 to 60 using magic maths. Let's learn the rules for squaring of numbers. Rule number 1. The numbers must be between 50 to 60. Rule number 2. Add 25 to the digits in unit place and write it on the left hand side of the answer. Rule number 3. Square the digits in the unit place and put it in the right hand part of the answer. If the digit is single, then make it a 2 digit. Okay, now let's take a number for example. By rule number 1, we have to take a number between 50 to 60. So let's take the number 53. By rule number 2, we have to add 25 to the digit in units place. So in 53, the digits in unit place is 3. So 25 plus 3 is equal to 28 and we write 28 on the left hand part of the answer. By rule number 3, square the digits in the unit place and put it in the right hand part of the answer. So 3 square is 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9. Now 9 is a single digit number. So how do we make it a double digit number? We add a 0 in front of a 9 so that it becomes a double digit number, but the value of the number will still be 9. So we get a complete answer as 2809. Therefore, the square of 53 is 2809. We can use this simple trick to find out the squares of numbers between 50 to 60. Now let's see one more example. Okay, now let's take out the square of number 56. So 56 comes between 50 to 60. So we can use this technique. Now let's add 25 to 6. So 25 plus 6 is equal to 31 and we write 31 on the left hand side. Now what we have to do is, then we square the number in the units place. So 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 and we write that 36 in the right hand side. So we get a complete answer as 3136. So we know that the square of 56 is 3136. So students, do practice this sum and get a hang of this trick.
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.